Hello, and welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 2. Last episode we did Card, which is a simple landing page builder, simple website builder. Today we have a similar version, but in a different kind of build format. Today I'm going to be showing you Super. Now, Super is, the smoothness of this tool drives me crazy. It's Super.so. I'll leave a link down below, of course, as always, in the comments if it's LinkedIn, in the description if it's YouTube. If you've ever used Notion, Notion is the smoothest possible little workspace builder that I've ever seen. I'm going to do a whole video on Notion. Don't worry about it right now. But if you use Notion, which is a simple workspace tool, it's very common internal in companies or for individuals. I use it for myself. You can actually build websites, fully functional websites with their own color scheme, their own fonts, everything you would need on a normal website. But you can build it with Notion. Here's an example of something that I built. I built a top picks page, a little list of follow-up, email follow-up templates, right? You can go here, you can click submit, and you can add stuff, and that's using another really cool tool that I'll get into later called Chili Pepper. You can add little ideas. The list of ideas drops here in a simple Notion database. You can have simple back buttons up at top. Here's a little information about me and how I built the website. Lists here, and there's a sign-up page where I embedded a form. I was able to do all of this unbelievably quickly. I did it on a live stream on the NoCodeNerd show. I was able to do all of this in Notion very, very simply and easily. And using Super, I was able to pop it, give it a custom domain, betterfollowup.email, and everything else that I need for a solid website. And the nice thing is, and I don't know this for sure, but I know Notion, if you do it right, can be decent for SEO. So you could probably make your own blog out of a Notion page using something like Super. There are a few other tools that are that I like as well for Notion pages and such like this, and I'll get into those in future videos. But Super is an amazing tool, especially if you love Notion and you know how to build really well in it, because then you can build really simple websites and more complex ones with an amazingly accessible content structure. It's just wonderful. I highly recommend you go check out Super. Should be down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next episode.